The easiest way to start a new MDB5 project is to use MDB CLI. If you don't have it installed, just navigate to CLI section on our documentation page. Now, if you have already MDB installed, then open a command line or other terminal, depending on the operating system you use. Navigate to destination of your choice. Log into MDB CLI using MDB login command. Provide your username and password. Once you are logged in, simply type MDB init, search for material design for Bootstrap 5 standard default Bootstrap version, and press enter. This will initialize a new project for you. Navigate to the project location where you're gonna find MDB5 Pro package, which is ready to use. Another option to start using MDB5 is installation via npm. In order to do that, you have to log into git.mdbootstrap.com server. After completing your order, you should receive an email from a GitLab where you're gonna find an activation link. So search for an email in your inbox. If you don't see it, please check your spam folder. In case you didn't receive it, please contact our support team using contact@mdbootstrap.com. Inside the mail, you're gonna find the activation link and link to the repository. Navigate to the repository. Now we are just 2 steps away from starting using npm. First, navigate to your settings. Go to access tokens and generate a new token. You can call it like MDB5. Check read repository and create personal access token. This is your token. Copy it. Now paste your token instead of XXX signs. Now open a command line and navigate to the project folder and use following command. You're gonna find this command in the description down below. Just don't forget to update your access token. Once you navigate to the project location, you're gonna find that MDB was installed under Node Modules folder. Inside the package, you're gonna find index.html file, which you can copy and paste into main project location. Open a project in Visual Studio Code or other text editor and update your index.html file to link resources from Node Modules folder. And the same for JS. Now your project is ready to start. Obviously, if you're using some module bundlers like Webpack, you should import your assets accordingly. You can also directly download an MDB package. Navigate to mdbootstrap.com, click on the avatar on the top right corner, navigate to Orders, where you will find all your available downloads. Find MDB5 on the list and click Download button. This will download you a package. Navigate to the download folder and extract the zip. Open a project folder and your starter is ready to use.